The Hare and the Tortoise. Once, a hare and a tortoise lived in a jungle. They were fast friends. The hare was very proud of his fast speed. He often ridiculed the tortoise for his tardy gait. One day, the tortoise got annoyed at his insulting remarks and invited him to run a race. The hare at once accepted the challenge. They fixed a tree at the foot of a distant hill as the winning point. The race started and the hare ran away with flying speed. In no time, he was out of sight. On the way, he caught sight of a cool shady tree. He decided to take some rest. He was sure that the tortoise would be lagging far behind. Supposing this, he lay down in the cradle of velvety grass under the tree. Soon, the soft strokes of cool breeze lulled him into sound sleep. The tortoise continued his advance with steady step. He reached the place where the hare was lying fast asleep. He quietly passed by him and continued his journey with new zeal. At last, he reached the winning point. When the hare woke up, the sun was about to set. He ran as fast as he could. At last, he reached the winning point. To his shame, he found the tortoise waiting for him there. He had lost the race. After this defeat, the hare decided never to mock anyone in future. Morals: slow and steady wins the race.